Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on color ID, just click on it. Come here to float in here widget. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me floating widget disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.